not here to hurt you.
ntago turi hano kukubabaza.
I know you're scared.
Ndabizi ufite ubwoba.
You come with us.
Why?
Arebye.
You still have Rhino.
Uracyafite cya gipupe Rhino?
I didn't know his name.
Ubizi gute Rhino kariko yitwa?
Because I bought it for you.
Kubera ko icyo gipupe ari ngiwe kikuguriye. Niyo mpamvu nyiza.
Because you were 3.
Ntago wabyibuka wari ufite imyaka 3. Yo.
Your actual name is Matthew Burrows.
Izina ryawe ubundi rya nyaryo ni Matthew Burrows.
I'm your father.
Ni ingeso.
We're gonna take you someplace safe, okay? I know.
Turaza kujyana ahantu hatekanye.
Come on.
Yeah.
You said he was my son.
Warambwiye ngo n'umwana wanjye mama.
Me to do.
Nari gukora iki?
Going back.
Wari wamaze kwica abantu rya joro nta kintu twari gukora ngo dusubire inyuma. Nakubwiye rero ibyo washakaga kumva.
Results I made.
Ubwo banzaniraga ibisubizo bigaragaza ko umwana atari wawe narabitwitse ngo utazigera ubimenya.
One person who truly loves
Uriya mwana niwe muntu wenyine ngira unkunda. Bo baracyagukunda.
her. It's the only thing
Ndi umupapa mwiza. Ndetse kuba papa nabonye aricyo kintu nshoboye. Nta cyahindutse uraga muri papa we. Ibintu byose byarahindutse.
I have nothing
Ubu
now.
nta kintu nsigaranye.
You have taken
Wantwaye buri kimwe.
Oh, that is rich
Ndumva ukabije.
in you. Everything.
Ahubwo nagwaye buri kimwe.
You were born into
Wavukiye mu muryango wifashije ukize.
do with it.
Nta ruhare wabigizemo. Umve.
You have brought this family's legacy to the brink.
None ibigwi by'uyu muryango umeze nk'ari we ugiye kubirimbura.
To be a caution.
Ntago rero nabikwemerera.
You're weak.
Uri umunyantege nke.
Hayden, you've always been weak.
Kuva wavuka wari umunyantege nke uri imbega niwo kuvuga turi akagabo k'imbwa kamaringaringa ariko ntacyo bitwaye.
I love you.
Ariko ndagukunda.
You have me.
Uramfite
You'll always have me.
kandi iteka uzahora umfite. Ahitamumena. Tamwica. Yarikanga umuntu wica mama weho yakubabarira. Umuntu wica mama we yaguhereza. Yishe mama we. Bano umwana baramucikanye. Agiye akamwerekana ati dore wa mwana